Hey guys, Lane here, back again with another video. And today, I know I'm like pale as white, but who cares? Well, I'm being basic. Not basic. It's just the lighting. Yeah. Not gonna be doing a tour in a while. Yeah. So there was this thing about asking me to join an ad on a video to earn money. They said to basically you have to pay to do the ad for some reason. I don't know why. Probably because we're renting, because I have my own channel and I'm posting on my channel right now. But anyways, this channel is always about slime and stories telling. So this was a quick story. So let's get into it, because I have an iceberg slime that I really wanted to be shown. Not like the real iceberg, but basic iceberg.
So glossy. I played with it a tiny bit before the video just because she gave me a plastic spoon for it, and I think this comes with every order. It was so different from just normal cooking slime, and I just love playing with it in this way. And I found that when I did poke the slime,
if you're wondering, yes, there is sticks in here. It's the charm. It used to be the charm because I had a little A on it, but then it broke. So I wanted to have a little cute thing to it. Yeah, so nice. And yes, I did change it. Oh, but yeah, there was another one. There was one more, but it wasn't an iceberg. Y'all know what it was. This flarp putty slime. I'm not a really big fan of this. Not gonna lie, this is not really good. I don't know why they made giant one, just wasting their time on pretty much this. So yeah, up your game with the slime, because there's really overactive. And I tried to fix it, but it wouldn't work. Fix it a little bit though. Look what I'm watching, and I'm watching it now. So yeah, guys, that was the iceberg slime and telling my story and watching TV.